going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be recording the unboxing of the iPhone 6 Plus. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this, shall we? Perfect. Then, as we can see here, this is the phone itself. Very, very interesting, and very, very cold to the touch. But let's see what else we get in here. Let's take the little plastic tray out, set the phone on that. And then we get our usual Apple designed in California here. And then here are our accessories. We have the earpods as usual. Looks like we have our little power block right here. And then we've also got, of course, our lightning cable. Very nice, very nice. And then that appears to be everything, so at least in that package. Let's go ahead and also take a look-see in our little pamphlet. See what they included in here. Got our nice little SIM card tool. And then looks like we've got our little paperwork. All right. Then without further ado, let's go ahead and power this guy on. Perfect. We get a nice little boot up screen there. Overall, though, the phone looks like it's in excellent shape. Alright, then looks like we've got it on here. So we're just going to go through some of the quick setup here. Alright, and then looks like we're joining our Wi-Fi network. I'm going to just express set this up here. All right, and then let's go ahead and jump into settings here. Make sure everything works. Yep. And then we'll go into battery health. Looks like we are at 100%, which is good. And then battery looks like is at 96%, so not terrible. Let's see how the back-facing camera looks. Not too shabby. What I would expect from an iPhone 6 Plus. And then there's us. Awesome. Alright, well, that was the setup and unboxing of the iPhone 6 Plus. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.